how to find out information about distribution, version number, release code name. How to find out this information in terminal. First, get a terminal, a console. Then we can use 3 commands to find out those information. The first command is rsb release. RSB release print distribution specific information. Commonly we use it as RSB release -a. It prints all information by default. It's equal to RSB release -all. We can say the distribution ID is Ubuntu. It's Ubuntu 14.04. Code name is trusty. RSB is somehow hard to remember. RSB stands for Linux Standard Base. It's a base Linux holds standards. And it's similar to USB. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It's a bus for data transfer. So RSB release means, according to Linux standards, what release is this machine's operating system and distribution. USB, nearly all computer has USB port. Hope USB help you remember RSB. If you want to learn more about RSB, search Linux standard base online. It's the first command we use to find out the distribution ID, distributor's name, and the version number, code name. The second command can be used as uname. Also, we use a -a. Let's see if it has a full option. Okay, uname -a, uname all. We can see the Linux kernel's version number. It's 3.13.0, and I'm using Linux on an x86-64 machine. And uname can give some information about the kernel's version. And the last way to find out the release information, distribution release information, is at the root directory of etc /etc. We can use it this way. cat /etc/star-release. We get all of this information: distributor description, name, Ubuntu, version 14.04, and ID like Debian, Platinum, LTS means long-term support version. It's 14.04. Actually, it already upgraded to 16. I'm not following the upgrade. So the third is at the root directory etc, and we can check what its file name actually is. We can say it's RSB-release and OS-release. Actually, at the etc directory, we have some other information about the Debian compliant information. Let's let's cat the Debian information. We can say the Ubuntu is using Jessia SLE Debian distribution. It's based on Debian. Okay. This is the three way to get the release information. RSB release is the first command to use. The second, actually, it's very convenient to use cat/etc/star-release. You can find other files in the etc directory. It's a root directory, contain configuration files, a lot of the kind of files. And the third is uname, uname-a, uname space -a gave some information about the Linux kernel. And to be clear, we are using bash. Its default shell come from Ubuntu. Hope it's helpful. Okay, thank you. We introduced three commands to find out Ubuntu distribution release version, code name, release number, and it's RSB_release and cat/etc and those files star-release. Star is a wildcat. We use star to refer to those file name, those letters in the file name, and we can find these files happily because at etc directory we can only find file with this kind of pattern. Both of the two files contain information about Linux standard-based release information and operating system release information, so we can just cat both of the file and get the information. And the third method to get system information is uname, but actually uname gave kernel version information. Okay. You can find more information about this command by man rsb and man, and the third, actually I don't need it, man cat. Cat is concatenate files and print on standard output. Okay, three commands to give information about system, about the distribution and operating system. Hope it helped. Thank you.